Alright, so I'm gonna cut up one Persian cucumber. I'm kind of making the garnish here, so I'm like cutting 2 little slivers or 3, and then the rest of it is gonna be put in the juicer. So just cut up a little bit of slivers for the garnish, and then put the rest of it in the juicer. And this is how much it kind of makes for one large Persian cucumber. Then you're gonna need 1 jalapeno and remove the seeds, and then this is going to be also in the juicer, and it's only gonna make like about that much. And then you're gonna need a strainer, some lemon, the arugula simple syrup, the green tea vodka, and a shaker. And then you're gonna pour 2 ounces of the green tea vodka into the shaker and squeeze out about 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. So that's like about a whole lemon, and just squeeze as much of it as you can. And then you're gonna put the arugula simple syrup in, about 3/4 of an ounce. I kind of have to use the spoon to put it in there. And then 1/2 ounce of fresh cucumber juice, and then a couple drops, like 1 drop or 2 drops of the jalapeno juice, and that's it really. And then you're gonna get some ice, pour the ice in there. The ice kind of like clumped up as I did it, that's why it popped out. But pour the ice in the shaker and then shake it hard for like about 7 seconds, and then get the strainer and then pour it out. And that's it. You can garnish it how you want. You can put maybe some Persian cucumber in there or some mint around it, but that's basically it, guys. That is how you make the green goddess. If you guys enjoy this and you like what you're watching, please be sure to subscribe and give this video a like or thumbs up.